Welcome. It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
When the actions of Cameron Davis, 12, unexpectedly and dramatically changed, Mom Melissa Davis assumed something was wrong. Uncertain what to do to further investigate, she has agreed to send her son with a concealed microphone to his school in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Once she reviewed back the sound recordings, she could never have been prepared for what would be revealed. When 12-year-old Camden Davis began peeing the bed and becoming ever more violent at home, his mother, Melissa, became worried. She suspected that the school mistreated Camden, who suffers from severe autism. The only problem was that the boy was not able to verbalize adequately what had happened to him. When Melissa went to school attended by Camden, they did nothing to help, so she decided to do her own program. She'd had a rather brilliant idea one day. She put a hidden microphone in Camden's backpack so that when he got there, she could hear exactly what was going on around him. She will be surprised by the feedback she received as a result of this maneuver. From the recordings, Melissa could hear two of his teachers mocking and threatening her son. "You write the word only. What's so hard about this?" In the recording broadcast by WBRZ Channel 2, one of the speakers can be heard. The instructor could be heard in the same film, imitating Camden when he is struggling to react. Two teachers can be heard in another piece of the video, saying the boy wouldn't make it for a minute in public school. When Melissa was playing back the tape, she couldn't believe it was real. "I just wanted to cry out and scream and do whatever I could because it was too horrible," Davis told WBRZ Channel 2. "I think I had taken my son there every day and that I didn't know what had happened before." The mom shared her findings on social media, where they spread rapidly. Shortly after, broadcasting networks gave up the speech bites. It contributed to the two teachers both losing their jobs. The school has apologized profusely to both the boy and his mother, according to WBRZ Channel 2. Melissa has since moved Camden to a new school and says he is feeling better despite being left saddened by the event. She's also thanked the support people have shown them. "Thank you, Baton Rouge, for everything you did," Davis said. "People see these children need to be protected, and I was protecting my child because I knew things were going wrong." What a horrible story. A teacher should always be supportive and helpful toward their students. The mere idea that they would bully and mock someone in their care makes me sick, let alone a vulnerable child.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.